Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can apply a blend photo edges in Canva. Basically, you're going to get a photo and the edge of that photo is kind of blending to the background of the document. In this example, I have this white background and the photo is in the middle, but the edges of the photo kind of start to blend in or transitioning from the original color of the photo to the background document, which is white. So from red to white, and it blends seamlessly. Unfortunately, in Canva you cannot get this effect instantly. You need some workaround. So let me demonstrate on how you can get this effect to any photo in Canva. Now I have this photo, which is the same photo. Now what I need to do now is I'm going to visit elements and search for the color of the background. In this case, I have white background, so the keyword is going to be white gradient. If you have black color, then you want to use the keyword black gradient. If you have blue color, then it's going to be blue gradient. So just keep that in mind. The keyword is here and I'm going to search for it. Now go to graphics, and then here we can insert a transparent gradient color into the document to recreate the blending effect. I'm going to select this one. You can actually select anything that you feel like it's going to look the best, but I'm going to use this one. And after that, I'm going to put it at the bottom. And usually you need to go a bit to the bottom, just a little bit, because you don't want to see this red area. If you actually just follow the nudging, follow the guide, you can still see a horizontal line right here. I don't like it, so I'm going to click on this gradient and then press the down arrow to make it go down 1 pixel. Now I don't see that horizontal line anymore. Now let's duplicate this element and I'm going to flip it vertically. Now let's do the same for the top area, and I'm going to click on it and press the top or up arrow, sorry about that. Okay, 1 more pixel, and there you go. Now let's do the same. Let's duplicate this element again, but we are going to flip it. No, we're not going to flip it, we're going to rotate it to 90 degrees, and let's apply it here. Again, I'm going to click on it and click the right arrow to make sure there's no 1 pixel left behind. And let's do the same for the other one. I'm going to duplicate it and flip it horizontally. Sorry, not horizontally, but vertically. And let's put it here. Again, 1 more pixel. I'm going to click on the element and press the left arrow on the keyboard. And there you go. So this is blending. This photo is blending to the background, and that's exactly how you can get this effect in Canva. If you find this video to be useful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.